POV ZL1. You know I got my boy Shadow right here. You already know what I'm saying. Well, we about to take that road. Yeah, we about to get on POV in a ZL1. Let it start up. Really not gonna talk that much, but you know, it's whatever. Let's go. There's AC on. Ooh, sunny. Ooh, that is a long straightaway, brother. It's gonna be a good drive. Good POV video. Sunset. I would let the windows down, but it's hot as shit. Sun, man. Good sunset. Got little horses over there, you know what I'm saying? No, them cows. Tweaking. Let's go behind it. Sonic right there, you know what I'm saying? I might just head to the lake from here. Try to not make this video that long, but you know. Oh, bro, this straightaway is fucking nuts. I would do it, but I don't know, man. A lot of cops and shit around, so this is be a nice ass straightaway. Actually, you know what? I'm about to send this shit. I'm going speed limit the whole time though, you know what I'm saying, in Mexico. I love sunset, man. It's so fucking nice. Love the trees, man. Trees, sunset, ZL1. Is it straightaway? Love the straightaway. cops around here, so I gotta slow down a little bit. I need to clean my windows so bad, actually. That wine is fucking crazy. Slow down here, you know what I'm saying? I really need a radar detector, man. Honestly. Need a radar detector. I got the G's on, so y'all can see my G's on turns and stuff. Wait till I get my new tires. Slow down a little bit. Let's get this straight away. Oh, it's a car. Traction control on. This car is crazy, man. This car is crazy. Got 2 lanes the whole time? Can't be. Oh, I can't see. There we go. This car is so loud, bruh. Dang, I should have put a timer on to see how fast I got here. I think we're almost to the lake. Should be close to the lake. miss it. Shit. 55 G's right there. Probably not nothing compared to other people, but hey, I don't got no good tires on right now. Oh, there's a deer right there. There's a lot of deer out, man. Right there, 67 G's right there. This gotta be the lake right here. It gotta be. Yeah, it is. Yo, look at the straightaway. I'm gonna stop right here. Good sunset though. It's 50 right there. Probably nobody over here for real, but just coming over here, cause why not? Shit. I'm right here anyways. Let's see what's turn around and see. We ain't doing that anyways. Just driving around. The POV drive. I want to do a full burnout, but I need to save these tires. Yeah, man, probably after the bridge, probably end the video. I don't know how long this video is, but it was good. It's been a good day. Hopefully people that's watching this video, y'all been having a good day. Y'all end the day watching my video, whatever time y'all watching my video, you know. We get a lot of support. A lot of support actually. So I appreciate that. It's been a long time coming for all the people that know for real. Oh, this is a big ass boat. But yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a little pull right here. And gonna call it a day. Damn it, it's a car coming. Dang. Let's let this car go past for a little bit. Let's see, I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but let's let this car get down there for a little bit, man. Hopefully another car don't come. I need to let him get all the way out there so I can't see him. But yeah, we always do these in Mexico, and we always go to speed limit. So if you're not gonna go to speed limit, don't try to don't, you know what I'm saying, do this shit on a track or something. If you're not gonna go to speed limit, you know what I'm saying. But I always go to speed limit, you know what I'm saying? All right, is he down there yet? I can't really see it, but I'm not gonna do a dig. I'm just going rolling. Traction control on. Out there, that was actually terrible shifting right now, right there. That's probably my worst shift I've been doing. So, but yeah, man, I'm probably end the video right here. Hopefully I like this little POV drive. I've been out all day, so it was just a good cruise, and I just like POV videos. So make sure y'all like, subscribe. I'm about to hit 10K soon. Let me help your boy hit 10K, you feel me? And subscribe, like the video, comment down below if y'all want some more of these videos. Like my Instagram, go follow my Instagram and stuff. All that stuff is linked in bio. And yeah, and we just hit 13K today, literally today. So I thank y'all for that. And it's your boy Slay, man. I'm out, man. Peace.